In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings and go to accessibility. Now click on vision and go to Talkback. And here you can smoothly activate it by tapping on the switcher and then tap on allow to give all needed permissions. Here you can go through this tutorial which has 5 lessons, but basically all you need to know about it is written. Let me just volume it up.
No, next, can learn lesson 2, practice lesson 2 button. Lesson 5,
So let me
learn
just
lesson 3 button.
go back. So all you need to know about it is written right here. Let us listen to it.
It provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or have low vision. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You will see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. It lists 3 items.
So, mark something once,
Back button.
double tap to select,
Accessibility.
and to scroll
Back
use your 2
button.
fingers. Then, if you would like to switch Talkback off, just mark it,
Talkback.
double tap to select, tap on accessibility and turn it off by tapping twice. Select stop, double tap, and that's it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.